Hi guys and welcome to another video. So in this video I'm gonna talk about data types. Okay, so first of all let me just talk about data types. So in Python and other languages that use object oriented paradigm, we use objects to represent something. So for example, if I have I want to abstract, for example, a car, this object will have properties and methods. Okay, so we encapsulate these properties and methods within the object so we can abstract the functionality. Okay, so Python has a lot of objects. We call them built-in objects. Okay, so I'm gonna start with int, which stands for integer. Okay, so uh, vamos, actually, let's get started. So, for instance, I'm gonna start creating a variable. Okay, so we give first we give a name, for example, age, which will store some number which will be equivalent to an age. For instance, 22, which is how old I am. So age equals to 22. We press enter and we see nothing, but when I call age I see 22. Okay, so what I did here was to create a variable. Okay, so this is a variable. We are allocating memory to store this, and to know the type of an object we call the function type, and we give it the object. Okay, so I'm gonna give age, and we're gonna see that class is from the type int, okay, or integer. So that's how you can create a variable from the type int. Okay, so pretty easy to do. So for instance, let's just make something right here. If I take the actual the current year 2018 and I subtract age, I'm gonna get a year. Okay, so you could do this to try to figure out when someone's birthday is. Okay, so pretty much the video, guys. I hope you like it. See you guys next time.